Hi, this is my Rockwheel GT16 version 3. If you've ever wanted to know what electric unicycle sounds like, not the ambient sound, but the sound of the wheel itself, then I can show you. This is a little microphone. It doesn't pick up sound at all. Just picks up electrical interference, magnetic fields and stuff like that. So this is the motherboard's just under this case here, or controller, whatever you want to call it. So you put this in here, and that is not working. Why is that? 1 second. Bear with. Ah, yeah, sorry. I was just having a practice with it earlier. I forgot I haven't even turned it on. That's it. Right, okay, try again. Take 2. Right. Right, so the real fun part is if you connect it just there and take it for a ride, well, you're gonna see in here what's gonna happen. I've got some tape here. It's hard to do tape with one hand. 1 second. That's it there. I want it about there. So the microphone is now taped down just on top of the motherboard. I'll put the camera down, I'll take it for a little spin so you can hear it, what it sounds like. Give me a second. Right. Well, there you go. In case you ever wondered what electric unicycle sounds like, that's exactly how it sounds like when it's all working. Okay, so it's just a little simple microphone. I've just got it onto my recorder, which I've got to sync up to the video later. So in theory, you could... Let me take this tape off. So in theory, you could use this, take the figure part to make it smaller, put it inside, well, rest it somewhere safe on the motherboard or near the motherboard. You could make a little circuit to build a small amplifier then connect up to the speakers of your electric unicycle, you could have that sound while you're actually riding. Okay, I just thought I'd share that. Okay, see ya.